Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the rectangle tool or to draw anything really, rectangles, squares. So you can either click this one or you can type in rectang. So you can either start by specifying your base point. If you want to start at 0, 0, that will bring it in here, but we'll just put it in here. Now, as you can see, the first box highlighted in blue is your vertical measurement. So let's call it 1000. And if you want to change the next one, you just hit the tab button on your keyboard. So that's for offset square. If you want to do different measurements for rectangles, you can do that. And there you have it. There's a 1000 millimeter square. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.